Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix Ome TV camera not working on your iPhone, either using any version of the iOS 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, doesn't really matter. Let's say I open the Ome TV. So like if you're not able to see the camera inside your iPhone, so how can you fix that? Just go back, go inside the settings, scroll down, and you will see this option called apps. So find the apps, scroll down and find the Ome TV. Just scroll down and you will see the Ometv application. Just open it, and once you open it, make sure that like you have allowed these permissions like local network, microphone, and camera. If these settings are turned off, make sure to turn them on. Once you turn these features, or you can say the settings on, hopefully after that your problem will be solved. But if you still face the issue, so what you can do is just go back to Ometv and remove it or delete it from your iPhone. Once you delete the application, reinstall it from the App Store again, and hopefully your problem will be solved. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that and solve your problem.